Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications and swipe down once again, and this will show you your power button. Once you see the boot options, you want to hold power off. As you can see, after holding it for a couple seconds, it changes into safe mode. Tap to restart your tablet in safe mode. Downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your tablet. So we're going to press on that once more. And just to explain this mode a little bit more in depth, it is designed for troubleshooting your device, like the message stated. And what it will do is any application that you have installed yourself will be temporarily turned off in this mode. So neither you nor the device or the application will be able to start itself. And if you tried it, it will give you a pop-up that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. Now, the reason for that is if you, for instance, have some kind of app, maybe you're an app developer, or maybe you just downloaded some kind of malicious app, but in whatever case, the app is causing you massive problems with your device to the point that it's kind of becoming unusable. You can boot it into this mode and said app will not be able to function whatsoever. So hence you can just find that app and then get rid of it. And you can see the device does define which application won't work in this mode and which one will, based on how it looks like. So any kind of gray application like this one, the monochrome ones, will not function, which funny enough, there is a lot of Samsung applications that will not function here. So we have the Samsung browser, notes, calendar, gaming hub, clock, calculator, if I remember correctly, is also one of those. Yep, there we go. So yeah, as you can see, a lot of Samsung applications do not function here. And like I said, if you try to open up, it gives you this pop-up. Now, with that being said, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would need to do is just find your power button once again. And this time around, simply tap on restart. The device will boot up again and automatically go back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.